Tonight, as you fall asleep, something in you is going to change. Not through effort, not through force, through repetition, softness, and rest. Somewhere along the way, you learned things about money that were never true, that it is hard to get, that it leaves faster than it comes, that other people receive and you struggle, that the market rewards everyone but you. Those beliefs were installed without your permission, and they have been running underneath every trade you have ever taken. Tonight, they are not being fought. They are being replaced. Let your body sink into the bed, heavy, warm, supported. There is nothing to do now, nothing to fix, nothing to earn. The session is over. The screens are dark. This is the time of day when you are allowed to simply receive. Notice your breath slowing on its own, your jaw softening, your hands unclenching, the weight of the day dissolving into the mattress. As you drift, your mind is entering its most open square, the gate to the subconscious, open. The analytical mind, off duty. Whatever is spoken now goes deep, and what goes deep grows. So let go now. Let the words come to you like water finding its level. Sleep, receive, become. Money flows to me. Money flows to me easily and consistently. I am open to receiving. I am worthy of wealth. I am worthy of every profit my process produces. I am worthy of wealth. The market is a place of abundance. Opportunity appears every single day. There is always enough. The market provides for the prepared. I am prepared. I release scarcity. I release the fear of losing what I have. I trade from abundance, not from lack. Profits come to me. I allow my winners to grow. I receive what the market offers, calmly, gratefully, without grasping. My capital grows. Steadily, consistently, session after session. My capital grows because I protect it and let it work. I am a magnet for opportunity. The right setups find me. I see them clearly. I act on them cleanly. I am a magnet for opportunity. Money is my tool, not my master. I direct it with calm and clarity. Money serves the life I am building. I am grateful for what I have. Gratitude opens the door to more. I am grateful, and more is coming. Wealth is my natural state. I was not made for struggle. I was made for growth. Wealth is my natural state. I deserve to be paid for my patience. I deserve to be paid for my discipline. And I am again and again. Abundance flows through my trading. Abundance flows through my life. Abundance flows to me now. I am at peace with money. No fear, no grasping, no lack, just flow. Money flows to me. Money flows to me. Money flows to me.